How to repost a video on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to repost a video on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now I'm playing some videos. If you like some video, tap on share. And now you have a lot of options. And you see the first option, which is repost. Tap on there. And the video now is reposted. And if you want to remove the repost, all you need to do is go back and tap on share and tap on remove repost. And this is it guys. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.